giveaway for my paperback that's for sale on Amazon as well as on Kindle. And this week I'm going to do a promotion for the Kindle and give it away for free. The links for the Kindle as well as the paperback is on Amazon is listed below in the description, and you can just go down below and click on that. And I just ask, if you upload the Kindle for free, that you leave a review on Amazon. Okay, so this is the book. This is the front of it. I also have another book that is Crochet Hats, and it's under Amy Lehman for the author, but I have the link listed down below for that too if you'd like to take a look. And so this is the book here, and this is the back. And inside are our patterns and the basics of hooks. And if you are the winner, please comment down below. I do have a crochet page and a crochet group that is new. And if you haven't joined or liked that yet, please do so and comment down below so I can pick a winner. And if you're interested and you are the winner, I can sign the inside right here with my name if you want. If you don't, that's fine too. Okay, so thank you for watching. Also, make sure you're a subscriber to participate in this giveaway.